Okay, so here I have my activities and evidence form that I'm using for this spring semester, and we're going to do a little hyperlink here. So let me just find my one blank one I've highlighted here. So we'll just call the document that I need to attach my test document. And so I got my text right there. I'm going to highlight this text. There's a couple different ways you can do this depending on what version of Word you're using. Mine's actually a slightly older version. I have a Word 2013. You can either do it up top here with the insert button by clicking insert and going to hyperlink, or you can just right click on the text after it's highlighted and go to hyperlink. All right, and I'm sure you've seen this window pop up. You might have a slightly different look to this depending on what kind of your default settings are or what you did recently. So over here on the left hand side, it says I'm going to hyperlink to either an existing file on my computer or a web page. And that's what we want. Okay, there's some other features on here where you could, if you have a really big document, you could link to other parts of your document, like a table of contents or things like that. But we're not interested in that, so we're gonna click on existing file or web page. Okay. Down here where it says address, this would be where we actually typed out the web page, but I'm not interested in doing that. I'm going to go to my folder where I have my test document saved. So for me, it's going to be Artifacts and Evidence Spring 2019. And then I'm going to find the PDF that I created that's called test. There it is. And I'm going to hit OK. And then I would save my document. Now, the issue that you said you were having is it wasn't opening for you. Okay, so let's see if this works for me. If I click, let's see, location may be unsafe. Do I want to continue? Yes, there is my document. If you weren't able to get yours to open, one of the issues might be that the kind of the path of where the file was located. Maybe the document got a little confused. So like maybe you hyperlinked a document that's on a shared drive, but now you're on a computer that doesn't have access to that shared drive. Or if you've already, so if I submitted this document right here that you're seeing to Margot, but I forgot to include the other file with it, when she clicked on that, it wouldn't work. So let's start with that. I'm going to stop the recording. We'll see if we problem solve your issues.